So you are probably here because you are considering orthodontic treatment. Maybe it's braces or SureSmile or Invisalign, but you are wondering what should be your first steps before you start the treatment, and that is something I want to share with you today. If we have not met before, my name is Dr. Mansi Oza. I am a cosmetic and a general dentist. I've been practicing dentistry for past 2 decades, and our practice is located in Thurmont, Maryland. I would recommend that you consider a few things before you start the treatment. The first and the most important thing is clarity. So you want to know why exactly you want the treatment, what makes you feel conscious about your smile. So if it's the alignment of your teeth, like if your teeth are crooked or if you have gaps in between your teeth, that is something orthodontics can definitely help with, and we can also broaden your smile with orthodontics. Now, if your teeth are small in size, or if you have chips, or if your teeth are worn, or if you have pointy teeth, if you don't like the shape of your teeth, or if you don't like the color of your teeth, obviously those things cannot be treated with orthodontics, and you may need further treatment in future. So those are some important things to consider. The second thing you want to do is that you want to make sure that you get a thorough dental checkup done before starting any orthodontic treatment. The reason is that if you have any cavities or if you have gum infection, those diseases in 90% of cases are completely silent. So you are not going to feel that you have holes in your teeth, or your your jawbone is being eaten up by the bacteria, and you don't want to move your teeth in that environment. So if you have all this inflammation in your mouth because of gum infection, that would mean that your jawbone is not strong enough to hold the teeth, and then on top of that, if you start moving your teeth, then that's not going to be good for you in future. You may actually end up losing some teeth. Similarly, if you have cavities in your teeth, then they can get bigger over the course of orthodontic treatment. That can lead to abscesses in the jawbone, or even if it's a small cavity and if you fill it, your trays that were precisely designed and scanned may not fit as precisely, and your teeth will not move as we had planned. So all these things you want to consider beforehand. And the third important thing is that you want to know that there may be some additional treatment that may be required to enhance your smile further, like dental veneers or bonding or teeth whitening or replacing the missing teeth, things like that. So you want to have that discussion ahead of time. The best way to do it would be to ask a simulated smile before you say yes to your trace or Invisalign or SureSmile treatment. That way you can see what your smile is going to look like. Also know that sometimes the orthodontic treatment may take longer than we had originally planned, so allow some more time. If you have an event coming up, know that there may be some additional time required, so you want to plan the orthodontic treatment or any smile enhancement treatment way before your event is coming up, so you are not stressed out about the treatment. So I hope these tips helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me, direct message me, reach out to us via social media. It's Thurmont Smiles. You can visit our website and contact us through that, or you can call us at 301-271-4400 between Tuesday to Friday. Here is to your magnetic smile.